Sheikh Yasser Ahmed, working as assistant professor in computer science department, data science, the allied department in Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology from Hyderabad. Today we'll be discussing with the topic of Java, that is abstract class in Java. So let's see the introduction part first. So what is an abstract class? A class that is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. So what is an abstract class? How it looks like? An abstract class will have abstract methods. Because of this, it is an abstract class. So what is an abstract method? It is a method without body. And another thing in this abstract class is it can have methods with body. So the methods with body are not abstract methods. So the general thing is an abstract class will have abstract methods, that is methods without body. Apart from this, it can have other methods also which will have body. So now let us see the abstraction in Java. What is abstraction in Java? So abstraction in Java is a process of hiding the details and showing only functionality to the user. That is, you can see the second point which I have mentioned, hides the internal details from the user. Okay, that is an abstraction. And I have given an example over here, that is like sending an SMS. That is, you just type and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. So this is one example of abstraction. So abstraction lets you focus on what object does, of how it does it. Okay, means what the object does instead of how it does it. That is an abstraction. Now there are ways to achieve abstraction. That is, there are two ways. One is abstract class and another one is interface. With interface you can achieve abstraction, 100% of abstraction. But whereas with abstract class you can achieve abstraction from 0 to 100%. Okay, so what is an interface will be the next topic after abstraction. So there are two ways to achieve abstraction. One is abstract class and interface. Now, what is an abstract class in Java? Here I have given an example. And a class that is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It needs to be extended and its method implemented. So it cannot be instantiated. Like I have given over here an example, that is, you can observe this is an abstract class A. So basically this is the thing, the keyword abstract. Okay, wherever you can see the keyword abstract, that class is known as abstract class. Then next is a method that is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as abstract method. Like you can see this example, abstract void print status. So this is a method which is just declared over here. Now let us see an example of abstract class that has abstract method. You see over here abstract class bike, and this is having one abstract method, that is run. So I just said in the introduction part also, an abstract class must be declared by the keyword abstract, and what it will have a method which is only declared, and also it should be declared with the keyword abstract. Where it should be implemented in its child class. Like you can see over here, there is a child class, that is class Honda extends bike. As the word extends, you can see over here, Honda extends bike means Honda is a child of class bike. So in abstract class, the child class will implement the method which is abstract method from its parent. So you can see this is the run method, which is an abstract method and which is implemented over here in its child. That is class Honda is implementing this method run over here. Okay, I think you have understood this. So over here this is the main class where you can see an object reference to the abstract class which is instantiated over here with the new operator to that child class. So you can see obj.run. Obj is a method which will invoke the run method. Okay. Then next, understanding abstract class with a real scenario. So this is an abstract class with the name as shape, and as I said, an abstract class will be declared with the keyword abstract, and it will have a method which is only declared. So you see, this is the method which is declared, that is without body and with the keyword abstract. So now the abstract method from the abstract class will be implemented in its child class. So you can see below over here, the class rectangle is extending the class shape. What do you mean by this? Extending shape over here means what? Rectangle is a class which is a child of class shape. So you can see over here, there is an implementation of draw method. Okay, the abstract method is implemented over here. You can see another class I have included over here, that is class circle, which is again extending its period shape. So the abstract method of class shape, that is draw, will be implemented over here. This is the part. So this is what is an abstraction. That is, abstract class will have a method which is only declared, okay, that is with method without body, and that method is defined in its child classes, like you can see over here. Okay, the class rectangle is having the draw method definition, which is not there in its parent. Similarly over here, class circle extending shape, which is having the definition of draw. I hope it is clear. Then we'll see another example, a real-time example of a class bank. So over here I have mentioned the class bank as abstract. As it is an abstract class, again it will have a method without definition. That is, you can see, that is int get rate of interest. This is a method which is without body. And as it is without body, I have to declare the keyword abstract, you can see over here. Now, where this method will be implemented or defined, again in its style classes. So you can observe here this class SBI, that is State Bank of India, is one kind of a class I'm assuming, which is extending the class abstract bank. So what do you mean by this? The method which is abstract in bank will be defined over here, that is class SBI. So you can observe here, this is the method which is defining this part. This is the code. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then you can observe there is one more child class I have included. Let me show this. Like class Punjab National Bank, which is again extending the abstract class bank. So what do you mean by this? Again the same thing. This class Punjab National Bank will be defining the abstract method of its parent, like rate of interest, get rate of interest. So it is defined over here with some returns, that is 8. So this is, I think this is clear. So over here the abstract class is bank, which is having a method get rate of interest, that is abstract method, and this method, which is an abstract method from class bank, that is implemented in its childs, like you can see over here in class SBI. Similarly, you can see in class Punjab National Bank, which is having this method implementation. And this is the main class. You can observe here to the bank a reference is created and it is instantiated over here, where the abstract method is implemented or defined. Similarly over here and over here. And when you can see system.out.println b.get rate of interest. Okay, so this is an object which will be returning you the value from the class SBI. So it was something 7 over here, if I'm not wrong, yes. And you can observe here C is an object, C.get rate of interest for class Punjab National Bank, which will give you the value over here as 8, which is included over here, return 8. I hope this is clear. There is abstract class in Java. And apart from this, what an abstract class can have, there are other things also. It can have the data member, it can have abstract method, method body, constructor, and even main method. So I have included over here another abstract class from here till here, In this one, there is a constructor. You can observe here this part from starting from here, and it is closed over here. So this is the constructor, and after this, you can observe here there is one method. Sorry, you can observe here there is one abstract method also. And what about this one? This is a method, but which is not an abstract method. Why it is not an abstract method? Because its definition is included over here. Okay, as I have underlined over here, this is the definition of this method change gear, which is not an abstract method. So by this, what I can mention over here is the abstract class bike over here is consisting of a constructor. This is the thing. Then this is the constructor, the first one. This is the abstract method, and this is the non-abstract method. So abstract class can have these things: constructor, abstract methods, non-abstract methods. Now you see the implementation part for this class bike in the next slide. Let me clear this. So you see over here, there is one class Honda which is extending bike. So I hope you can understand now. The class Honda extends bike means what? The method which was there in this class bike from the previous slide, you can see there is one method over here which is an abstract method, run, and it is implemented here. So again I am saying every abstract class which will have an abstract method will be implemented in its child. Like class Honda is a child for class bike, so it is defining the method, abstract method over here. That is this one. Okay, I hope this is clear, and this is the main class, class A, and in this one public static void main, and I have included the object over here to the parent class which is instantiating for class Honda. Now you can see the next thing, the object name, that is obj dot change gear. Over here, this will invoke the method which is available in class Honda. But you can observe here, in this class Honda, there is no such method. There is no such method with the name as change gear. But what do you mean by this? As class Honda is extending bike, means the method which is already available in class bike will be inherited by this Honda. So let's go to the previous slide. You can observe here there is one method, change gear. So this will be implemented over here. Then the next thing is obj.run. Okay, obj.run will be invoking this method. I hope this is clear. Then next, the last point what I want to conclude over here is, this is the rule, that is, if there is any abstract method in a class, that must be declared by keyword abstract. So in this lecture I have given the introduction first, what is an abstract class, and then I have said the two ways of achieving abstraction, that is by using abstract class. The other one is by using interface. So in this video lecture I have explained about abstract class. What is an abstract class? It will have an abstract keyword before the name of the class, and it will have a method without body which will be declared with the keyword abstract. Then I have explained 2-3 examples also, and in the next video lecture I'll be explaining about the code implementation, that is how it is going to work, what will be the output of it. Then if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any doubt you can mention in the comment, and please subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching this video.